The error code ELOC, also known as EL0C, is displayed on the air conditioner when the electronic control board, through sensors, detects a possible refrigerant gas leak. This guide will help you efficiently troubleshoot the problem, step by step. 1. De-energize the equipment. Turn off the air conditioner and wait for 5 minutes. Turn it back on and see if the error persists. 2. Check the air filters. Lack of airflow due to dirty filters can affect temperature measurement and trigger the error. Make sure they are clean. 3. Verify the cleanliness of the evaporator turbine. Also, observe if the turbine motor rotates at a normal speed. If it doesn't, the lack of airflow can affect the temperature sensor signal. The motor may rotate slowly due to problems with its capacitor or bearings. 4. Sensor connections. Check that the temperature sensors are correctly connected to the electronic board and in their proper location. 5. Visual inspection of pipes. Look for oil stains on the pipes, indicating a possible refrigerant leak. 6. Electric consumption measurement. With an amp clamp, compare the current consumption with the one indicated on the equipment label. Lower than normal consumption may indicate a lack of gas. 7. Temperature sensor test. Disconnect the sensors and measure their resistance in kiloohms with a multimeter. The resistance should not be zero or infinite, and should decrease when rubbing the sensor with your hand. Compare the values with the manufacturer's specifications. 8. Sensor power supply. With the sensor connected and the board powered on, verify that the voltage is close to 2.5 volts of direct current. 9. Capillary tube obstruction. If the capillary tube is obstructed, the equipment may show symptoms similar to a lack of gas. Check if the capillary tube is too cold or frozen, indicating an obstruction. 10. If it has gauges, connect the gauge to the pipe fitting. The normal pressure for our 32 and our 410A, with the equipment on, is around 120 pounds per square inch, and with our 22 or its substitutes, around 65 pounds per square inch. 11. Correct the refrigerant gas leak, vacuum, change the dryer filter if necessary, and recharge the refrigerant.